Welcome back to the Coding Problem series. Today, we are diving deep into advanced string algorithms. Strings are everywhere in computer science, from the code you write to the DNA in your body. Mastering the complex processing of strings distinguishes a good programmer from a great one. Let's explore the techniques that make search engines and text editors blazing fast. First, why do we even need complex algorithms? Imagine you are looking for a small word inside a massive book. The naive approach checks the first letter, then the second, and if it fails, it moves just one step forward and starts all over again. This is slow. In computer science terms, it's O of n times m for massive datasets like genomic data or the internet. We need something faster. We need linear time complexity, O of n plus m. Let's start with tries, also known as prefix trees. Imagine a data structure designed specifically for dictionaries or autocomplete systems. Instead of storing words as a list, we store them as a tree where each node is a character. The path from the root to a node spells out a prefix. This allows us to find if a word exists or find all words starting with CA instantly without looking at unrelated words. Next up is the famous Knuth-Morris-Pratt, or KMP algorithm. The genius of KMP is that it never moves backwards in the text. When a mismatch occurs, it doesn't restart. It uses a pre-calculated table, called the LPS table, to know exactly how far to jump ahead. It uses the information from the characters it has already matched to avoid redundant work. Rabin-Karp takes a different approach using mathematics. Instead of comparing characters one by one, it converts strings into numbers using hashing. It slides a window across the text, calculating the hash of the current window. If the hash matches the pattern's hash, we likely found a match. Using a rolling hash technique, we can recalculate the hash for the next position instantly. What if you need to search for multiple patterns at once? Like finding 1,000 bad words in a chat log? The Aho-Corasick Algorithm combines the structure of a trie with the efficiency of KMP. It builds a state machine that allows us to traverse the text once and find all occurrences of all patterns simultaneously. It's widely used in antivirus software. Now we enter the territory of heavy hitters: suffix trees and suffix arrays. A suffix array is simply a sorted list of all possible suffixes of a string. While it sounds simple, this structure allows us to answer incredibly complex queries, like finding the longest common substring between two documents or performing fast pattern matching in linear time. The Z algorithm is another brilliant linear time method. It produces a Z-array, where each value tells us the length of the longest common prefix between the start of the string and the current position. By cleverly concatenating your pattern and text, the Z-array can identify every position where the pattern occurs efficiently. These aren't just academic exercises. In bioinformatics, these algorithms align DNA sequences to find cures for diseases. In cybersecurity, they scan network packets for malicious signatures in milliseconds. And every time you use a search engine or press Ctrl F, you are relying on advanced string processing to get instant results. To summarize, moving beyond naive string matching opens up a world of efficiency. Whether it is KMP for single patterns, Aho-Corasick for multiple patterns, or suffix structures for complex analysis, these tools are essential for handling data at scale. I hope this overview gives you a roadmap to explore these powerful algorithms further. Happy coding!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.